Whoa, that's my dream car. That's my dream car. Bentley Continental. Yeah.
Apparently this is a man's dream car, so maybe we can make some dreams happen on his car. Washed up, got it pulled in here to the shop. This will be the first Bentley that we have ever done, so we got a lot of figuring out to do, which just found out that the hood pop is built into the badge. That I thought was pretty cool. You guys have worked on Bentleys before, don't judge me. I didn't know. Figured it out though. Twin turbo, V12. It's a lot of motor, but at the same time, this is a lot of car. Like, this is the big Bertha, the big Rondas of cars. Like she did not go on the keto diet for a long time. It's just been cotton candy and Twix from here on out. But its interior is pretty crispy. Bentleys always have some pretty nice interiors. Maybe your cup of tea, may not be. She is nice. But we also have our own set of problems that we got to deal with this thing. So it has been resprayed. We did not know that beforehand. Figured it out as we were washing it. Some clear coat chips and issues like that. But the entire car has been repainted. And the front bumper, it needs Jesus. There's just no other way to put it. It needs. They were supposed to be getting a new bumper. Everything that happened with COVID, apparently they couldn't get one, and they fixed it, or somebody sent it off to have it fixed, and then they thought that spray painting it was going to be, the best move, but it was not. So we're gonna have to get rid of that. We gotta strip all the spray paint off, and then we can wrap it. But I'm gonna take a moment, take 5. We gotta pray. So we got everything taken apart, disassembled, and we actually found out that the entire car has been resprayed. The customer didn't even know that. We did let him know that. There is clear coat literally peeling off. The Bentley has dandruff. That's really the only way that there is to describe it. We taped up, I don't even know, can you see that on camera? We taped up and then pulled off clear coat. And this stuff's not even that sticky. So that's gonna be an issue, especially going forward, because the film that we're wrapping it in is pretty aggressive. This car is not even that old. For it to be completely repainted, I don't know why. But that's literally all over the car. Morale is at an all-time low. We're gonna make it work though. So we're gonna have to pull off as much as we can with some tape, something like that, so it doesn't stick to the wrap. Probably have to feather edge some stuff on there. I really don't want to be sanding on a Bentley, but apparently we got a track record because we sanded on a Ferrari too, so it is what it is. We're gonna make it look good though. And if anybody's curious why we're wrapping it this way, it's because this thing is a time bomb. So we don't know what clear coat's gonna lift up and when it's not, so the less we have to actually adjust it, less likely that we're gonna have clear coat failure on the wrap. So.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Oh no.
So everything has gone surprisingly well. We were really worried about the clear coat pulling off, and especially KPMF being as sticky as it is, we're really worried that it was going to start pulling clear coat off. So surprisingly, it's gone extremely well. We've got the hood and the fenders done, and the roof as well. And we're actually getting ready to start laying the quarter panels. So hopefully everything continues to go smoothly. And I'm ready to get this thing done, so I can't stay here forever. Crispy. Okay. So that is not good. It's definitely backwards.
What?
It's not backwards. No.
That's no. All right, so everything has gone surprisingly well. Messed up. Bad. We gotta rewrap the fender. It's gotta go the other way. Can you see that on camera? Does it actually show up?
Oh yeah.
Can you actually see it on camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this looks like black and then this is still blue. And if you look at it this way, this would be black and then that would be blue. Okay. I guess we're rewrapping a fender. I was just sitting over there talking about how well everything's been going. I jinxed it. I jinxed myself. It was going too smooth. I knew something was gonna end up happening. I shouldn't have said it. So with most wraps, they are, other than Oracal, if I'm not mistaken, everything is directional. Even if it's not directional, you better wrap it directionally, because if not, you're gonna be in the same boat that we just are, the same boat we're trying to paddle out of. So yeah, make sure you pay attention to the arrows. Pay attention to those if they don't have arrows, letting you know which direction that they need to go. Draw you some on there. If you can't draw, well, you're just screwed. You shouldn't be wrapping cars anyways if you can't draw an arrow. It'll save you a lot of money and time. I promise. Don't be like me. Do better. All right, so we showed you guys earlier how bad this bumper was. Originally, it was supposed to be replaced. COVID messed it up. Couldn't get a bumper. Took it to Bentley. They said they couldn't fix it, so I don't know who they got to fix it. But they actually spray painted over top of it, which we can't wrap over that. That's like major no-no. With as screwed up as it is already, you know, it's not going to hurt to take a sander to it. Obviously, nobody wants to take sandpaper to a Bentley, but we got to do what we got to do to make it look good. So we're going to go ahead and get all this old spray paint taken off, get it sanded down. While we're at it, we'll probably go ahead and hit the main part of the bumper with some 1500 grit, kind of nib off any rock chips, and overspray, because this thing, you shouldn't be able to hear paint. But you can hear it. So we're gonna get all that nibbed off, and we're gonna go ahead and start knocking out these inlays and get this thing on the car. Just got down and dirty with some Smurf action. I had a stroke while in it. The forbidden love. Smurf love.
Oh my god. Matt's in here still working on the Bentley. It's been 3 weeks.
Feels like it. Might be here 3 weeks, who knows? Dude, seriously, check this out. So she started to pull off the fender. Talking about the clear coat issue.
It's not even sticky.
That's all clear coat.
Oh wow.
Like,
That's a lot of clear coat.
either way, we are moving forward. About to get this part wrapped in. Other than the fenders, this will be it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh my, what a wonderful time. Been a minute since I pulled up outside. Shut it down, yeah, you do that every time. a stripper. Yeah, but you not a stripper. Yeah, lock it down with you. Yeah, working 9 to 5 with you. Yeah, after smoking down with you.
So we really like how this Bentley turned out. I was a little hesitant when we found out the entire thing had been painted and was full of clear coat. It was an absolute nightmare, but it turned out really good. Really like this blue, been wanting to do it on something for a long time, and it could have been more perfect to put it on this Bentley. It looks super elegant. Let me know what you guys think about the color and the Bentley and this video. Let us know what I think. What do you think? Let us know what you think in the comments below.